We are going to just discuss the shape of the molecules depending upon the total electron pair and the on the basis of the bond pair and the lone pair which a molecule will have, and then we will give the geometry or the shape of the molecules and we will discuss few examples. Now let's start with if the molecule has got only two atoms, that is we have got here, if we have got only two electron pair, right? Now in that case, if there are only two electron pairs, now the two electron pair, here the bond pair, how many bond pair will be there? It is only two, and there is no lone pair on the central atom, right? Now this is of the type, we can say AB2 type, right? So here the central atom, here the central atom is being surrounded by only the two atoms, right? So when we are considering the central atom which is only surrounded by two atoms, and that too it has got only two shared electron pair, that time it is of the type AB2 type, and the shape of the molecule, what it will be, students? So A is the central atom here, and it is in this way, right? So students, you can think that how the central atom is going to arrange this two bond pair around it so that there is minimum repulsion between these two bond pair, and hence there will be maximum stability. So the only possible way is to get them 180-degree apart from one another, right? And hence this shape is the linear shape, right? And here you can see that the bond angle is here maximum, it's 180-degree, right? So that they are maximum distance apart from one another. So here you can have an example of beryllium BeCl2, right? There beryllium will be at the center and the two chlorine atoms will at the terminals, right? Now the second case which we can have, that if the around the central atom we have got three electron pairs, right students? Around the central atom we have got three electron pairs. So here we can have two cases. First case is that all the electron pair are the bond pair, right? We have got two cases here, that if the all the electron pair around the central atom are the bond pair, that time it will be AB3 type, right? And here the geometry AB, that means this is. So three bond pair, how they can arrange, how they can be arranged around the central atom so that they are maximum distance apart. Total angle which will be available around the central atom is 360-degree, and we have to get in that available space the three atoms has to be distributed so that they are maximum distance apart, and that is only possible through this shape, right? Where the bond angle, right? It is in this way that we have bond angle, student, here it is the angle between the two bonds here, two electron pair, right? So here overall total it is how much? It is 360-degree, right? And we have got three bonds, so here the bond angle is coming to be how much? 120-degree, right? So this shape, student, is known as the trigonal planar shape. So this is the trigonal planar shape. And here we can have the example of SO3, AlCl3, this shape, right? Now the second case which it can be, that is if we have two bond pair but there is one lone pair, 2 plus 1, that is coming to how much? It will be 3. So we have the type here, this is AB2, and this is the lone pair which will be present, right student? At that time we will write it as A here, central atom, this is B, and this is another B, there's a bond pair here, and we will have a lone pair. So you can just show the lone pair in this way, right? So this shape will be known as a V shape or it will be a bend shape, right? And here is also the angle is going to be 120 degree only, that will be between the bond pair and the lone pair, bond pair and the lone pair, and between the two bonds. It's a bend shape. And here we have the example of sulfur dioxide, SO2, right, where we will have the shape of AB2L type, right student? So hope so the diagram is getting clear to you all, right? Next we are going to discuss the if the central atom has got 4 electron pair around it. Now students, the next, as I just said, that we will discuss the molecule, shape of a molecule which when it has got the 4 electron pair. Now students, we will have here how many cases? There will be 3 cases possible. First is that if all the electron pair are the shared electron pair, that is the bond pair. At that time, we will have 3 cases, right? The first is bond pair and all the electron pair are the bond pair. Then we will have students, the geometry of the molecule or the shape of the molecule is going to be tetrahedral, right? That is, it is of this type. We have AB4, that is around the central atom. All the bonds, all the electron pair are bond pair. So here the shape is tetrahedral. The regular geometry is going to be tetrahedral and we are going to arrange, this is the central atom A, right? This is the bond pair 1 here. This is the another bond pair. This is the another bond pair and this is the another bond pair. So we have a tetrahedral geometry. This is the central atom, right, around which the 3 bonds are arranged in such a way that they are maximum distance apart. To get the 4 atoms arranged around the central atom, right, the only possible way to get the minimum repulsion is this one. And the bond angle for the tetrahedral, the regular geometry, is 109 degree 28 minute, or you can simply write it 109.5 degree, right? This is there. Now here the shape, the example is CH4, that is a methane molecule, right? Now the second case is that if we have got the here of the type that we have got 3 bond pair and a 1 lone pair. So we have got 3 bond pair and there is 1 lone pair and it is of the type AB3L. Now here students, the L here is standing here for the lone pair. You can either represent it in the form of L only in the diagram or you can show it as a lone pair on the molecule. So here the shape will be when we have 1 lone pair along with the 3 bond, it will be known as the trigonal. So triangular pyramidal. So it will be known as the triangular pyramidal shape, or you can write it as trigonal pyramidal, right? So get it written as trigonal pyramidal. And here we have an example of ammonia here, NH3, which has got a pyramidal shape. Now student, what will happen here? The shape of the molecule, the central atom is this one, right? It will get a lone pair. Either you write it as L or you can put a lone pair over there. And this is 1 bond pair. This is another bond pair. And this is the third bond pair, right? This is going to the shape, the trigonal pyramidal shape, where we have got around the central atom right? We have got the, this is bond pair, this is also, sorry, this is the bond pair here located, this one is a bond, another bond pair, and this is another bond pair, right? And we have got a lone pair at the top, and this shape will be known as the trigonal pyramidal shape, where the bond has been arranged in such a way that considering the bond pair lone pair repulsion also, and bond pair repulsion also. So this was the second type, and we have discussed here the example of ammonia NH3. And NH3 will have a trigonal pyramidal shape. Now moving to the next case here is that when we have two bond pair and two lone pair, right students? If we have two bond pair and two lone pair, this is of the type AB2L2 type. Right here we will have an example of H2S, H2O. So I'm writing here H2O. So here the central atom is this A here, right? So it is going to have a lone pair. It will have a bond pair here. This way, two bond pair will be there, and location of the two lone pair in this way. Right? This is again going to form a V shape or a bend shape. Right? So if we have got the two out of four electron pair, if we have got two lone pair and the two bond pair, then the shape of the molecule is going to be a bend shape. Right, student?